GVDA is brand new from GVDA. Yeah, look at that. Check it out. Nice box here, giving us a little quick lowdown of what we get. Follows that 61010-1 safety standard. That's pretty well the minimum safety standard you can get these days, but at least it is something. And of course the multimeter itself. Yeah, good quality plastic, I have to say. First off, that's what I noticed right away. Feels very, very nice. QC passed. Okay, we see that all the time. GD109 Smart Digital Multimeter. Powered by two AAA bells. 109 does not ship with a case or a carrying strap. That's too bad. Definitely pocketable, as you can tell. This is a tiny little instrument. But you know what? A carrying strap at least would have been good. Truth be told, I dropped this already when flying out of my hands. A lot of people question just how good, what's the usability like on these EBTN displays on the outside? Hey, it's a good question. No, it's a great question. Well, here you go. I think pretty good. Perhaps slightly washed out, but generally speaking, very readable. Contrast is still there, and overall, yeah, I like it. Also, you can see size-wise, yeah, once again, the GVDA small and compact. We don't have this big honkin' selector switch, which really defeats, portability when you get to a certain size. Try sticking this in your pocket. It's going to be painful. No, GVDA has really nailed it right on the head here in terms of overall portability and functionality. Wow, in terms of pure simplicity, elegance, ease of use, hard to get any better than this. 3 buttons. Function, hold and backlight, flashlight, as well as your on-off. That's it, that's all, nothing else to worry about, nothing on the sides, nada. That is nice. Okay, so I've had that precision voltage standard heating up now for about 15 minutes. Should be ready to go. 10.00 is what we want to say with this 4,000 count display. And instead we see 10.02. Hey, that works. In spec, looking good. Now when you turn the meter on for the first time, boom, it goes into NCV, non-contact voltage, not auto mode, which is a little bit different. But you know what? You're going to be using this as an NCV tester a lot of the time, I'm sure. So that's probably a pretty cool idea. To get into smart mode, hit the function switch once, and now you're in auto/smart. So voltage, AC/DC, resistance, and continuity is what you can have while in smart mode. AC voltage now, 122.6 volts, true RMS. Hey you, don't get any ideas. What?
Oh, it's so creepy.
Also, while in AC mode, we can switch to frequency, and there we go, 60 hertz. Diode mode is next. Here we go. We have a standard diode here. And forward voltage drop, no audible beep. That would have been a bonus. But anyway, there you go. Over to the red LED, and it is lit barely with a forward voltage drop. Oh, same with the yellow. The green, oh yes, barely lit, but no forward voltage drop. And nothing for the blue, and nothing for the white. So 3 out of 5 in terms of illumination, 2 out of 5 in terms of a forward voltage drop. And there we are, the output voltage in diode mode, 2.2 volts. It's all about the resistance, baby. Here we go. Sitting at 1 mega ohm. Looking good. Now, a lot of times these smart meters have a tendency to slowly range. Let's see if this one suffers the same fate. 3 mega ohm. Hey, 6 mega ohm. Oh yeah, this is fast. Let's go back to 3. Oh yeah. 7 mega ohm. Beauty. 5 mega ohm. Oh yeah, so in terms of ranging speed, this thing is super fast. Amazing. Good stuff. All right, let's try 100K. Oh yeah, 110K, 310K, 610K. Oh yes, this is a sweet resistance meter. And it's accurate too. Loving it. You'll notice on the GVDA here we have an NCV tip, unlike the probe tips on the Unity and the Aneng. So that could be a good thing or a bad thing depending how you look at it. For quick, easy NCV access, obviously this is the way to go. If you want to probe instantly, you might be